What happened to Hourglass? Does anyone remember when it was good? Great even? What's changed? As you know, yes, they do ambient lighting powders, which they did really nice, but they've been oversaturated for a long time now. Every year, you know what to expect, at least 2 ambient lighting palettes. Yeah, we know. Kind of like Urban Decay. Remember when they did Naked? They released so many that they basically just killed the brand. But today, Hourglass have launched the new Curator Eyeshadow Palette with 4 different finishes. Versatile, blendable, from subtle to highly pigmented. So, let's start with the pros. The formula is absolutely lovely, and I truly mean that. It is lovely. It is so smooth, buttery, and way better than the previous iteration of the refillables. Remember those? It's gorgeous, it's grown up, elegant, think Clé de Peau. The application is also stunning. Everything about this formula is stunning. And that's about where the positives end. So, onto the cons. The main issue here is the price and the packaging. It feels cheaper than my last attempt at looking younger. Honestly, the packaging is light, tinny, it is flimsy at best. It feels cheap. Kardashian cheap. Cheap. Of course, you don't wear packaging, so take that into account. But for £67, I expect something heavier than a feather. I really do. I'm talking Pat McGrath kind of level, you know, heft. Now, about the quantity, you get 1 gram here per shade. 4 shades, £67. Or £16.75 per shade, which is odd as the refillables from Hourglass are actually $29 for the same amount. So that makes no sense. Anyway, plus, you know, the refillable ones, they have a shit texture. I didn't really like them. For the price of a small island, you could get a Tom Ford palette which has 2.5 grams per shade for only £8 more. Yes, let that hit home. So Tom Ford has 10 grams. You would need to shell out £167 plus for the same amount that Tom Ford gives you. Basically enough to buy a small yacht or at least a full head full of Botox. And no, I haven't had Botox. Now, I hate to rag on PR because they were lovely enough to send me this. But at this price point and this packaging, it just brings it down. Especially since the formula is so good. It's kind of like going to a 5-star restaurant and getting a really fancy sandwich which came from their gas station. Oh, and for all you freaks out there that keep DMing me, asking me for my feet pics, joke's on you, because I've got a verruca.